Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you top 5 Metaverse tokens you can invest in that can give you massive profits within the beginning of 2022 and also in the years to come. If you can invest in some of these coins that I'm going to list for you today and leave it for the next 2 to 3 years to come, you are going to see the amount of profit you will make. And we have some of these coins, the ones that have really gone up above $1, above $3, and also we have the ones that are not even up to $0.1, right? And these are some coins you can invest with $10, $20, $50. So you don't even have any excuse of saying you don't have money when you can invest with little money and still make some reasonable profits, right? Yeah. So, and no doubt, Metaverse is taking over. Metaverse, NFTs, gaming, right? Yeah. And if you are in cryptocurrency or you invest in cryptocurrency and you are not yet investing in any of these categories I just mentioned, the metaverse, the NFTs, and the gaming projects, then I can boldly tell you that you are joking. Yeah, you are really joking. So let's jump in right into my browser to see what I have for you on my top metaverse token picks, right? So the first coin on our list today for the metaverse tokens you can buy now is Mana. Mana is a metaverse token that has been in existence for a very long time now. Just that, in cryptocurrency, a coin can be existing, but nobody will really know about it because probably in news that will skyrocket that coin have not really happened. So this particular Mana has been in existence, just that immediately Facebook announced their change of name from Facebook to Meta, then the coin started skyrocketing. It's go to over $5, but now you can see the crypto market is in red, so it's went down just like other coins. So this is a very good opportunity for you to enter this coin, because as at next year 2022, I'm sure that we are going to be seeing this coin at above $20, $50. So you can get in now, invest any amount you can afford to lose. Yes, I'm not a financial advisor. I just bring you opportunities that you can make money from. I'm not telling you to go and buy like with gun. Hey, you must buy this coin. No, that is not what I'm doing. I'm just giving you opportunities that you can make more research about and invest your money in. Like, is your money not my own? I'm just teaching you what you need to know, right? Yeah. So the next coin we have on our list is Sandbox. Sandbox, just like Mana, skyrocketed immediately Facebook announced their change of name from Facebook to Meta, because this coin is also a metaverse token, and also it plays also in the gaming projects. Now, if you watched my video where I talked about 3 gaming platforms that you can make money from just by playing games, you will see that I made mention of Sandbox game. Yes, under Sandbox game you can build a house in your metaverse community, right? You can build a house and put that house for sale and people will buy it. That is what metaverse and NFTs have brought to us. Yeah, so that is it. This coin has a very good case study, and also it has strong potential. It has a very strong use case and it has good potential. You can make more research about it and see if it's something you would want to invest your money in. Now, the next metaverse token we have on our list is UFO Gaming. Yes, UFO Gaming. This is another metaverse token that is still very much new, and you can see the price of this coin is still at, oh my goodness, God. Your $50 in this coin can give you a whole lot of money in the nearest future. I don't know what you are waiting for, but then I've already taken position. If you want, you can, but remember, it is not a financial advice. You can make more research about them to see if it's something you would want to invest in. And so, what I'm doing is to let you know the coins, the metaverse coins you can invest in against 2022, and also you can invest in for the long term. Now, the next coin we have here is Starlink. Starlink is a Metaverse token, just like UFO is still very much low, and you can invest even $10, $20 in these coins, and you will see them in the next 2 to 3 years. As long as the developers are active and they are promoting it, you can see something really good on your portfolio to count on. At least you can see something that will make you call your mom or phone and be like, yeah, hello, young lady. I have prepare your bags. We're going to Dubai. Let's go and flex. Yeah, so you have to enter these coins as they are still very low. At least for the fact that you got to watch this video on time when this coin is still at this price, then you don't have any reason to even be broke in the next 2 to 3 years to come. You can invest for short term, you can invest for long term. Like I always say, know your reason for wanting to invest in any cryptocurrency. Are you investing for long term? Are you investing for short term? It enables you to know how long you should stay in that coin. It also enables you to know when to exit that market. Now, the next coin we have on our list is Render token. Render token is a very strong metaverse project. You can see it is already trading on Binance, it is trading on KuCoin and other top exchanges, right? And you can see the price is already $4.10. You can go ahead, make more research about it, read their use case, research more on their community projects and also the news around them before you invest. Take a look at their circulating supply, their total supply, see if it's something worth investing. Like I said, I'm not telling you to invest in it, I'm just teaching you what you need to know. So these are the 5 metaverse tokens that you can invest in, and in the next 1 year, 6 months, 3 months to come, you will be happy that you really invested in them. Those that invested in any cryptocurrency at all last year that have some really good use case, by now I'm sure they will really be very happy because they brought out their hard-earned money last year during the COVID-19 period to invest in these coins. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to learn from it, see the video. And also, if you have any question, you can drop a comment via the comment section and I will respond to your comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video.